Hello dear students, welcome to offline session of grade 10 mathematics. Today we are going to study about trigonometric identities. So let's start. So first of all we will see what is meant by identity. So identity or trigonometric identity is the trigonometric equation which is true which is true for all angles. Okay, for example we'll see, for example, sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. So this also can be a trigonometric identities. Why? If you say sin theta, you can consider the theta angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, or any other angle. So if you consider all these angles and if you solve the LHS, that is sin theta, okay, and you solve separately RHS, that is 1 upon cosec theta. So sin theta is always equal to 1 upon cosec theta, and that's why we can say it is a trigonometric identity. Second example we'll consider, if we say sin theta is equal to cos theta. This is not the trigonometric identities. This is trigonometric identity. Now why this is not trigonometric identity? Because sin theta is equal to cos theta is not true for for not true for all angles. Okay, so it is not true for all angles, and that's why this is not the trigonometric identities. Now we are going to study some special identities for trigonometric, which we have to use for the solving some trigonometric examples. So let's see one by one. Before that we'll consider angle C is theta. Okay, now we'll write all the ratios here. Sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse, so it is equal to AB upon AC, right? Cos theta is equals to adjacent side upon hypotenuse, that is BC upon AC. And tan theta is what? Opposite side upon adjacent side, AB upon BC. So here for this angle theta, AB is the opposite side while BC is adjacent side, and AC is a hypotenuse, right? AC is a hypotenuse. Okay, similarly we'll write other ratios also. For example, cosec theta. So cosec theta will be AC upon AB, right? Sec theta equals to AC upon BC, and cot theta is equals to BC upon AB. So these all ratios we have written. Now we have to prove the trigonometric identities. We will derive. Okay. Now we'll use Pythagoras theorem in this triangle ABC. So we can write here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This we have studied already, Pythagoras theorem, right? So using Pythagoras theorem we can write this one, right? Let this equation be 1. Now first identity we want to prove. So divide equation 1 by AC square, right? So what we get, we'll write here, therefore AC upon AC bracket square, right? AB upon AC bracket square plus BC upon AC bracket square. Got it? Right. Now AC upon AC will be 1, right? So this will be 1. AB upon AC. What is AB upon AC? That is sin theta. So we'll write here sin square theta. Okay, you can write sin theta bracket square, right? Now BC upon AC. BC upon AC is what? Cos theta. So we'll write here cos theta bracket square, and therefore we can write the first identity. Here first identity is 1 is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta. Got it? Right? So this is first identity. Now we'll prove second identity here. Second identity. So again we'll consider the equation 1. Here we'll divide equation 1 by AB square. So divide equation 1 by AB square. Correct? Therefore AC upon AB bracket square equal to AB upon AB bracket square plus BC upon AB bracket square, right? Now AC upon AB. What is AC upon AB? AC upon AB is cosec theta. So we'll write here cosec theta bracket square, right? AB upon AB is 1. 1 square is 1, right? Now BC upon AB. BC upon AB is cot theta. You can see here. So we'll write here cot theta bracket square. Therefore we can write here cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Understood? So this is second identity, we can say, right? This we can also write that is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. We can write in this way also, right? Any way you write, no problem. So we'll see now third identity, right? So same way we'll consider the equation 1 here. Now divide equation 1 by BC square, correct? BC square. So what we'll get then? We'll write here AC upon BC bracket square equal to AB upon BC bracket square plus BC upon BC bracket square. Now AC upon BC. What is AC upon BC? Is sec theta, right? So we'll write here sec theta bracket square. AB upon BC. AB upon BC is tan theta. So we'll write here tan theta bracket square. And BC upon BC is 1. So we can write here sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta, right? So this is third identity. These are the special identities which we have to use. Okay. So this also can be written as sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So these are the three identities. First identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second, cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. And third, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Understood? Thank you.